lots of roundabouts.
Lots of roundabouts.
Getting out of town was a little bit sketchy because it was morning rush, I think, but it wasn't terrible.
It's hard when you don't understand the road signs. But we made it. We also had to Google how to put our car in reverse. But we made that too. Here we are coming into the town of Sóller. It's still behind a trash truck. Hoping it turns off sometime soon. As we came in, we could see a cathedral. So it's December in Port de Sóller. Kind of got the place all to ourselves. Found a little parking garage. Seems to be free today. Hotel Eden there. Walking down to the water. Check it all out. So this is the Port de Sóller. About 60 degrees or so right now. Yachts. Nice walking area.
Yeah, I bet this is awesome in the summertime. It's actually pretty nice out today, but not nice enough to get in the water, that's for sure. There's a lot of boats here, all shapes and sizes. A lot of little fishing boats. I bet the seafood here is top notch. Just walking along Port de Sóller, seeing all the stuff. It's a pretty little town for sure. Pretty much just us and the locals, it seems like. Very quiet day. Got some produce stands here. Lots of little outdoor places, cafes. It's about 11:30. Things are just kind of opening up, it seems like. Lots of flowers. Saw that in Mallorca as well.
Got the Christmas poinsettias.
Oh yeah.
It's a new day. It's a new day.
Now we're in the town of Sóller. Just a few minutes drive away from Port de Sóller. Here's the church. A lot less busy than Palma, but there's some people around. Little plaza. Bet those trees are pretty with the lights on at night. Little Christmas tree. It's a really pretty little town.
It's pretty with the mountains behind the church.
It's a central market area of Sóller. A little bit of everything. Lots of little shops. Oof. Got some good stuff in there. Come check that out.
So we're headed out of Sóller. Cute village, lots of shops, lots of historical buildings. So and we're headed to Port de Sóller, ending with an X, and I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's supposed to be the prettiest village in Spain.